Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Detach the panel assembly. Make sure the washer timer knob is pushed in. Now use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out the retaining pin so you can remove the knob. Next, pull the timer dial forward to detach. Pull off the remaining control knobs. Unthread the screw located under the timer dial. Release the clips from the front panel and set the control panel assembly on top of the appliance. Unthread the screws securing the left and right end caps to the control panel. Detach the end caps. Remove the mounting clips and set them aside. You can now remove the old panel. Before you install the new control panel, peel off the protective coating. Now position the new panel on the mounting plate. Reposition the mounting clips. Fully align the panel and mounting plate. Reinstall the end caps. Thread the screws to secure. Now reinsert the mounting clips into the slots in the front panel. Realign the knobs on the switch stems. Thread the front screw. Reinstall the timer dial by aligning it on the shaft until it is flush against the control panel. Replace the timer knob. Now push the retaining pin in to secure. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.